So when I give a quote for a client for an upcoming Disney vacation, I do request that you have an approximate budget that you're expecting to spend. Now, I'm not going to go over your budget. I'm going to try to keep you in your budget and find you the best value for your budget. One of the things we cannot account for anymore, since Disney is not offering dining plans, is the food portion of things. So to help people get an idea of about how much they're going to spend each day for food, I recommend you go and download the My Disney Experience app, and I'm going to show you how you can figure out how much restaurants cost at Disney. So the first, we're going to look at our mobile ordering. So mobile ordering are going to be your previous quick service locations, no waiter, walk up and pick up, and they're doing it all now virtually. So you're going to go ahead and click on mobile order, and then you're going to click on Pecos Bills, for example. Click on View Menu. It's going to show you all the different options, how much everything costs, right down to the drinks. So you can, if you go back to this previous screen, you can pick a window. You've got to do, if you want to do this part, you do have to do this during their operating hours. But you can actually just put together an entire meal, and so you're going to get the fajitas. I'm always getting the fajitas. This is what I always seem to add in my examples. And then you're going to get some drinks, some desserts. So we're going to get these churros. And then what you can do is go up to your card at the top right, and you can see exactly how much your subtotal is. So if you add your whole family in, this is a really great way to figure out approximately how much you're going to need for if you're doing these for lunches and dinners. For sit-down meals, I suggest going back to the main area, click on Plus, click on Dining Availability. Now, this won't necessarily give you all of your restaurants, but if there's a specific one you're looking for, I can show you how to do that too. But if you're looking to see which restaurants are available, say on the 10th of April for a party of 4 for dinner, you can go and click on Coral Reef, and then that's going to bring up their menu as well for lunch and for dinner. So there's 2 different options, and I think they're actually running the same for both, but it'll show you all the different pricing to help you figure out how much it's going to cost. If you're looking for a specific restaurant, for example, Chef Mickey's, which is super popular and super hard to get lately, you can, again, type it in under that little eyeglass, Chef Mickey's, click View Menu, and it's going to tell you, this is a little different. This one is typically a buffet. Now it is served family style, but it's going to tell you $42 per adult plus tax and gratuity. So that's going to tell you they're only doing it for breakfast right now. Typically, Chef Mickey's is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this is how you can figure out what your budget should approximately be for dining at Disney.